in action to welcome Chief of the Army Staff. Chief of the Army Staff for the last 16 days to be exact. He has taken over only on 31st December. General Manoj Mukund Narwane, an officer from Sikh Light Infantry. In a very short span of time, 3 chiefs from Sikh Light, and that is the Rudra formation fly past. You can see that.
सेनाध्यक्ष को सलामी यहाँ नीचे धरती पर भी और ऊपर आकाश से भी.
That is the Indrarud advanced light helicopters, the national flag with the army flag. Just to welcome the Chief of the Army Staff, the reviewing officer for today.
परेड कमांडर अब थल सेनाध्यक्ष को रिपोर्ट देने के लिए अग्रसर हो रहे हैं अपने कर्तव्य पथ पर. कर्तव्य पथ की राह में चाहे सब लुट जाने दो, ये माटी घर कर्तव्य है तो फिर इसी में मिल जाए. मेजर जनरल आलोक कक्कड़ परेड कमांडर सलामी मंच की ओर.
श्रीमान, सेना दिवस परेड 21 अफसर 52 जेसीओस 1650 अन्य पद परेड पथ परेड निरीक्षण के लिए हाजिर.
अब सेनाध्यक्ष अग्रसर होंगे परेड का निरीक्षण करने के लिए, अपने सैनिकों का निरीक्षण करने के लिए. एक सिपाही के लिए ये अत्यंत गौरव का क्षण, जब सेनाध्यक्ष की नजर उस पर पड़ेगी, उसको समझने का प्रयास करेगी. सेनाध्यक्ष की नजर अत्यंत अनुभवी, तेज और पारखी क्षमता रखती है मनोबल को भांपने की, प्रेरित करने की, उनकी बात समझने की, अपनी बात समझाने की. कि तू न थकेगा कभी, तू न रुकेगा कभी, तू न मुड़ेगा कभी, कर शपथ, कर शपथ, अग्निपथ, अग्निपथ, अग्निपथ. और वो याद दिलाएंगे उन्हें योद्धा का वो धर्म जो स्वयं भगवान कृष्ण ने रणभूमि में कहा था. हतो वा प्राप्स्यसि स्वर्गम जित्वा वा भोक्ष्यसे महीम तस्मादुत्तिष्ठ कौन्तेय युद्धाय कृत निश्चय. हे कौन्तेय, या तो तुम युद्ध में मरकर स्वर्ग की प्राप्ति करोगे या विजयी होकर पृथ्वी पर राज भोगोगे, और इसलिए तुम दृढ़ निश्चय कर युद्ध में खड़े हो जाओ.
The Chief of the Army Staff being taken to the starting line to review the parade. This is a seasoned chief, will always have a glimpse of his troops, and he can make out their battle readiness and what is the standard of training. This is one of the most poignant moments for the Chief of the Army Staff and for all those who are taking part. That about 1,650 over especially, and 200 JCOs and so many officers is being taken to the starting point.
The Chief of the Army Staff.
And this is going to the first time as a chief he will be reviewing the parade. Now, recipients of Paramveer Chakra and international sports awardees, they're there in those gypsies. See, these are the detachment of Akash weapon system commanded by Major Ankit Pahil of 128 AD Regiment. This is next to them is detachment of transportable satellite system. Paramveer Chakras. This is the Akash weapon system. used by Army as well as Air Force. Very important. It is highly indigenous. DRDO has done a great job for this. This detachment of Sarvatra Bridging System, and before that was Transportable Satellite System. This is a False Span Bridging System, and now of course the 61 Cavalry. Now the marching contingent, Parachute Regiment, led by Major Nikhil Kumar Maurya. Marching means they never march, they are always on the double. Next is of course the Grenadiers, the Grinders, PVC Regiment 65, it was CQMH Abdul Hamid. In 71 it was Major Hoshiar Singh. That is Sikh Light Infantry, Chiefs Regiment. And now mass pipes and drums, led by Subadar Basavraj Vege, Artillery Center Nasik. They are playing the tune of Chana Bilaudi. The masked military bands led by Subadar Major Parvat Singh, Bala of the Armored Force Central School Ahmednagar, playing the tune the Rajasthani Slow March. The next is the marching contingent of the Kumaon, and closely after Kumaon the Corps of Signals. That is the Corps of Signals. Army 80 Regiment, led by Lieutenant Vivek Vijay More. And now this is still the 80 Regiment marching contingent, and they are the MBT, that is T-90 Bhishma tanks, and they are closely followed by what they fight the war for. Along with that is the BMP-2K. Thereafter Vajra 155mm 52 caliber track self-propelled howitzers. And thereafter, of course, Dhanush gun system. We have the Dhanush gun system commanded by Captain Mrigang Bhardwaj of 93 Field Regiment.
सेनाध्यक्ष अपने सैनिकों का निरीक्षण करने के पश्चात सलामी मंचर की ओर अग्रसर, पूर्णतया आश्वस्त विश्वस्त, क्योंकि उन्होंने अपने जवानों की आंखों में देखा है एक संकल्प। साक्षी रहे संसार करता हूं प्रतिज्ञा पार्थ मैं, पूरा करूंगा कार्य सब कथा अनुसार यथार्थ मैं। जो पीठ पीछे वार कर आज हंसते हैं अभी, वो शत्रु सत्वर शोक में डूबे मिलेंगे अब सभी।
The Army Day is indeed a day to salute the valiant soldiers who have sacrificed their lives to protect our country, and to celebrate the valor and sheer dint of spirit of every single Indian soldier who fights regardless, living up to the motto, fight to win. The Army Chief instills a great sense of pride in the country and its valiant soldiers and binds the nation together. That sense of pride shines on every face here today. Men, women, children, as the Army rededicates itself to become a part of the great war-winning team.
परेड का निरीक्षण पूरा करने के बाद अब निरीक्षण वाहन सलामी मंच के निकट आता हुआ। आज मकर संक्रांति, आज से सूर्य उत्तरायण हो रहे हैं और आज मौसम की बड़ी कृपा है, क्योंकि हम सब जानते हैं कि उत्तर भारत में पिछले दिनों कड़ाके की सर्दी पड़ी थी, लेकिन आज 15 जनवरी की सुबह नर्म धूप और बहुत ही खुशनुमा दिन आज के इस सेना दिवस परेड समारोह पर।
The parade here at the Karyappa Parade Grounds showcases the military might of the Indian Army. It features advancement in technology and achievements of the Army, but the most precious asset are the men and women who are the soul of this elite force.
हम घरों में चैन से सोते हैं क्योंकि हमारे वीर जवान देश की रक्षा में तैनात हैं, हर समय चौकस हैं।
Chief of the Army Staff, after reviewing the parade, must be a happy person. His own regimental soldiers were also there. Of course, these soldiers are everybody. 1.2 million. General Manoj Mukund Naravne. Now, of course, the parade will come in the review order. The parade commander is going back to his command position, and from here he will give the order for the parade to come closer to the saluting dais. And
परेड के निरीक्षण के बाद सेनाध्यक्ष सलामी मंच पर और परेड कमांडर अपने निर्दिष्ट स्थान की ओर अग्रसर। परेड को अब वो रिव्यूइंग ऑर्डर में आगे बढ़ाएंगे।
When the storms rise, the very heavens will be parted. This is a far and